Hey everybody, Rich from Sticky's RC, once again reminding you to join myself and the rest of the Operation 11 Charlie team every Monday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Time over on the 11 Charlie RC YouTube channel. This week we got special guests, My Trick RC, Scale Metal Supplies, Brad Geck from Element RC and Gecko Trails on the show. They're going to be talking about one of the rigs that they built for Operation 11 Charlie, and you are definitely not going to want to miss out on a chance to hang out and chat with everybody. We'll see you there. Hey everybody, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and thank you for making 2021 an absolutely amazing year. I I am going to be taking the next couple of weeks off for Christmas and New Year's while we wrap up our move and get everything settled in the new house. But we'll be back right after the first of the new year. So we will see you again in 2022. And again, thank you all so much for an awesome year.